Namaste. I am Dr. C.D.Sonawane, Vice Principal, Science Department at ASM CSIT. At ASM CSIT, our science programs are designed to build a strong foundation in core scientific principles while developing analytical and problem-solving skills. We emphasize practical, hands-on learning from well-equipped labs to project-based exploration that bridges theory with real applications. Our dedicated faculty guide students at every step, encourage curiosity, and help you unlock your fullest potential. Beyond academics, we support holistic growth through the interactive sessions, science events, workshops, and research opportunities. Whether your path leads to higher studies, research, or industry, we prepare you with skills and confidence meets possibility. Admissions are open and we are excited to welcome you all. Thank you.